guys, the Dream is here and today is the day at ikakabit na nga natin itong mga item na in-order natin from Shopee. So this video will be the part 2 of Project 1. So if you haven't seen yet the part 1 of this video, so ililink ko siya down below or right here. So sobrang stylish ng side mirror na in-order ko from Shopee is trip ko siyang ikabit dito sa flash ko. But then, I realized that when it comes to quality is, mas quality pa rin naman yung side mirror ng flash ko compare dito sa mirror na binili ko from Shopee. So, but before natin ikabit yung mga item na binili ko, so, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko and hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload ko. So guys, we're done and actually nahirapan ako dun sa isang side mirror kasi reverse yung thread niya. But then nahanapan naman natin ng paraan and nakabit natin. So that's it for today guys, and if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and don't forget to leave a like. So with that being said, see you to my next video.